Still waiting for Elsa to arrive. Yeah. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca here. You can see the hurricane barrier behind me in Providence. The gates still open. So is a storm surge an issue here?
I don't think a surge is an issue, but more so flash flooding due to heavy rainfall and some strong wind gusts. But look on the radar. You can still see that swirl. It's a pretty healthy storm. It's a minimal tropical storm, but even minimal storms pack can cause some high impact weather. So a lot to talk about and cover. Let's first start with Doppler Radar. And the leading edge of the precipitation from Elsa already spreading in right now. It's moderate rain, but as we get deeper into the morning, and especially mid to late morning, this rain becoming widespread, heavy thunderstorms, downpours, localized street flooding, some urban flooding, 2 to 4 inches of rain, I would say likely in many areas. So the rain, just one issue, and you can see the leading edge of some very heavy rain. This is Long Island, New York, and you can see it right in here. So downpours, thunderstorms, and this is where some of the stronger wind is located now, impacting Long Island, New York, and that'll lift north and east. So you can see the circulation right in here, and here is southern New England, the center of the storm now off the New Jersey coastline. And here's the forecast track of the storm. Here we are at 6:30 in the morning, advancing north and east, and you can see that swirl right on top of us, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. It is a windswept heavy rain as the storm starts to cross our coastline as a tropical storm, not a hurricane, but a tropical storm, but still some strong wind gusts, especially along the coastline. And then notice by noontime, what's left of some of the heavier rain is starting to pull away and lift off the coast of Boston and heading towards down east Maine. So by mid-afternoon, the storm is pulling away, and we're seeing some clearing off to our west. So as stormy as it gets this morning, wouldn't be surprised to see by mid to late day some sunshine breaking through. So here's the deal on the threat tracker for today. I'm going to bump this up actually now. I meant to update this now to a high level. We're in a severe weather alert right now, especially for this morning. Things settle back down this afternoon, tonight, and right on through the weekend, despite the chance of a shower on Saturday. Does not look stormy. So impacts: wind, thunder, tornado, and flash flooding. The tornado risk is very, very slight, but it is something that we'll have to watch later this morning, especially near the coastline. Thunderstorms, a moderate risk. Strong wind gusts, I would say moderate to a high risk here, especially along the coastline, and really concerned about flash flooding. Very heavy rain over a short period of time this morning will cause some street flooding. So we take a look at the satellite and radar composite, and the latest track from the National Hurricane Center has the storm tracking or moving across our coastal waters by around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then racing away by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's already pulling away from Boston. So usually on the right-hand side of the right-hand side of the storm track, you get your stronger winds. On the left-hand side of the storm track, your heaviest rain. So inland areas have the better chance of some real heavy rainfall amounts, whereas along the coastline, the better chance of getting those wind gusts anywhere from about 40 to 55 miles per hour. So you see the widespread rain heavy throughout the morning. This is 8 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, a windswept heavy rain, but watch how rapidly it pulls away by early afternoon, and by 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, look at this, the sun is coming out, so a better finish to the day, certainly a better evening commute compared to the morning commute. All right, 7-day forecast shows a stormy first half of the day with rain and wind, getting a little better by mid to late afternoon. Weekend not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not a washout. Chance of a shower on Saturday, 80. Partly sunny skies on Sunday with a high temperature near 80. But Melissa, certainly high impact in terms of travel. WPRI.com to get your updated forecast. Myself, and actually TJ is working off camera on our website as well, updating some information. But a real tough go later this morning with some street flooding and some poor visibility. I mean, the roads are wet right now, but only getting worse.
Yeah, don't be fooled.